If you have matured locks, you can freely color your locks. Now, if you don't steam after you color your matured locks, you may experience breakage, because the lock structure, in order for it to remain clean and intact, like you said, you have to shampoo it. You have to keep it clean. Unfortunately, we don't use the same type of conditioning agents we used to when our hair was loose. And that's where beautiful hair products come in. So if your locks have been colored, I would recommend using the lavender line, which has the more emollient oils and conditioning agents in it, and also steaming to prevent your hair from breakage after you've colored your hair, because you need to rehydrate it on a molecular level, right?